Happy birthday, dear Noah. Happy birthday to you. Blow it out. Can you blow it out? Oh, oh. Can you do it? I'm just going to Okay, let's make a wish. Ready? Ah. Yay! Now, have some cake, honey. Go wild. It's yours. Oh boy!
I've never had cake before. That's for my very own.
Hey, Dad. He's not too worried about getting on him, is he?
No. Take a big scoop. Take a big scoop.
He doesn't know there's cake in there yet.
That icing's what's got him.
Oh, baby.
He's loading it in. And
Just wait them on, they're coming camera.
Nom, nom, nom.
It's getting faster now.
We'll have to tell Miss Deanna how much you enjoyed this.
Oh, two hands. All
All right. Come on, sugar
What are
pie.
you doing?
Oh boy, is that good?
he's going to be hyper now.
Is it good? Well, here, get it closer to you. Are you having trouble getting in it?
I wonder if you put his finger in the cake, he'll know that it's cake.
Let's try it.
Oh, oh, there's a big mouthful.
Nummy, nummy, nummy. Noah, say dun 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 dun. All right. Again. Dun, 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 dun. Super cake, baby.
That little foot just twisting.
Yummy.
At least he didn't decide it didn't feel good on his fingers.
No, he gonna feed you something.
Can you give me some?
You gonna get some to Dada?
Mm-hmm.
Can I have some?
Nope. So busy. You got your own. I saw it.
Ooh, squeezing it.
See, it's good when you gush it. Yeah. Now that's a ham baby right there.
Right.